Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Windows Security Center service cannot be started. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to search for Registry Editor and open it. Now click on yes. And then once you're here, what you need to do is to just go ahead and let me just go ahead and close all of this. Then click on the drop down arrow at the left side of HKey local machine. Then drop down arrow on system. Then now here on the current control set, click on the drop down arrow and services. And now once you've opened the services, you need to scroll down until you see WSCSVC, this one. So click on it. Now right click on Start and click on Modify. And you need to make sure that the value data is 2. Okay? And once you've changed the value into 2, just go ahead and restart your computer. And once you've restarted your computer, what you need to do is to press the Windows key on your keyboard and the letter R. Now search for services.msc. So once you search for services.msc, click on OK. Then now find the S section because we need to find Security Center. Okay, so click on Security Center, right click rather, then select Properties. And then you need to make sure that the startup type is on automatic delayed start. Okay, and once you've changed it, click on Start and Apply and OK. And once you follow all of those steps, you should be able to fix Windows Security Center service cannot be started. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.